And what happens is they'll start to say no in a very quiet way, and we see these little subtle no's and if we don't listen to those no's, they can get louder and louder until our dog goes from whispering a no to shouting a no. And by the time they're shouting, we are often in trouble. And that's the dog that you can't get near when you've got pull out a pair of clippers, for instance. We have organic start buttons, or that these are my terms for them, and we have trained start buttons. An organic start button is a start button that emerges from the training itself, from our interactions with our dogs. So as I've already shared, we have, if you start thinking about it, you'll see that you have these all over the place. Your dog goes to the door and barks. That is an organic start button. And then we get to decide, do I like this start button? Sure, let's give that a try. Well, my dog can go to the door and bark. Let's say I don't want the barking, then I could I could put a bell on my door and train my dog to ring the bell to get me to come and open the door. That would be a trained start button. So the organic one would be what the dog does naturally, that has figured out on their own, which is barking. A trained one would be hanging a bell and having the dog ring the bell. I have seen in the vast majority of situations is once our dogs understand that they can say no and they have some control over what's going on, they feel a lot safer. They're going to actually be more likely to get involved and do things than less likely.